What up, y'all? So I've noticed that a lot of you have taken interest in one of my past videos about behind the scenes of the e-commerce business that I run. So this is a continuation of that type of essence of a video, and I'm going to show you guys behind the scenes of me going to pick up the products that I ordered for my business. I drive to the U.S. Customs warehouse to pick it up near the port of Los Angeles, in which a lot of products get imported into this country. So I'm here to pick up my own stuff. Usually people have trucks like this pick their stuff up, but I'm doing it myself. This is a look into what truckers do right here. They come get the cargo, the freight. I'm kind of confused right now, cause I'm over here with a U-Haul truck and there ain't nothing but these trucks. I also got a video in the works that I filmed, but I didn't finish editing, called How to Start Your Very First Business. I've done one about how to start your own business, but I didn't give it specific as far as how to start your first business. Because I know that a lot of you guys are interested in starting businesses, but you really don't know what to start it about. So that video right there that I could post this week, since it's already filmed, that will help you out a lot. I should have just paid for them to pick it up, but I didn't want to pay that young $3 something. Okay. Welcome to the business life vlog. Oh shit, I do not have. Ooh, oh, this is gonna be tricky for me. Oh shit, this shit creepy, like. Just like your cell phone that you're using right now wasn't made over here in this country right here. You know what I mean? So it's just so eye-opening for me to just do that myself and go drive and just go there to get my products. It was so crazy, because this was the first time I've done it actually. Even though I've been running it for a minute, I used to just get the product shipped by air. All right, so I have arrived. Yes sir, that's me, 1995 in town, plus mileage and fees. Check-in window. Let me go check in right now. As you can see, I'm the only U-Haul truck. It was much more expensive to get them shipped by air, but the way I was doing it at the time, I needed it ASAP, so I was willing to pay that cost. But you know what I mean? Now that I order so much, it's just like, it's more efficient for me to do it by sea, and that's how I had to do it. And I pick it up myself instead of paying a trucker to go pick it up. All right, so the U-Haul truck came in handy because I get to go up to the ramp instead of having to wait for these to open up. Like, it's a lot of truck drivers lined up back there. They gotta wait until it's opened up over there. So I could just go up to the little ramp and I'm good. So I'm here getting my stock right now. Final paperwork right there. Oh, you got it? All right. Okay. I gotta load all this up. I should have brought some help, but I'll be able to manage it. And yeah, this is the life of a 3WP business owner. This place right here is U.S. Customs warehouse. So that's all of it. Time to close up this truck, and then, man, that's it. After all of that, for the most part, I do everything on my own. I run this whole operation by myself, you know what I'm saying? I say for people who want to start their own business, you gotta be comfortable, know what I mean, taking charge and doing stuff on your own. If you're that type of person who always got your hand out, needing some help, then you're gonna fail in the long run. That's how I feel, honestly. But that's just my personal opinion. I'm not saying don't get no help, but all I'm saying is to make sure that you're able to do some things on your own and be self-sufficient. All right, and that's just how I'm gonna end this video. You know what I'm saying? All the stock that I had, honestly, y'all, it's crazy. I'm going through that so fast, like boom, 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 boom. Whoa, it's crazy how fast I'm going through it, y'all. Got me busy. I'm real busy. That's why I don't even upload on this channel like that no more, to be honest with y'all. One reason is because the loyalty on this channel is it's fickle, all right? And then another reason is because I just be so busy with, you know what I mean, taking care of my business that I'd be like, oh, fickle audience, or, you know what I mean, people who showing me love. So I go to people who show me love off GP, you know what I'm saying? So that's just how life is, you know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna post on this channel because, you know what I mean, I got love for y'all regardless, but because there's still a lot of people who show me love on this channel, but for various reasons, you know what I'm saying? That's just how life is, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna upload that video about, what's that video? How to start your very first business, probably in a day or so. Just show me some love with the likes, and then, you know what I mean, if you got questions in the comments, I'll try to get to it, you know what I mean? It's no guarantee, because like I'm telling you, I'm real busy, y'all. I got like 100 and some orders to fulfill at this very moment. So yeah, deuces, I'm gonna see y'all later.
El Jam.